So, what is this hotspot everyone's talking about, and how do you use it? A hotspot is basically your iPhone acting like a tiny Wi Fi router. Your phone takes its cellular data and turns it into a Wi Fi network that your other devices, like a laptop, iPad, or another phone, can connect to. So, if you're somewhere without normal Wi Fi, you can still get online by borrowing the internet connection from your iPhone. Here's how you do it. Take your phone, go to Settings, and one of the first things you see is the Personal Hotspot. Here you can enable or disable your hotspot and set the password for it. There's also an option to allow family members to automatically join your hotspot without asking for approval, and an option to maximize compatibility, which switches your hotspot from the faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi to an older 2.4 GHz standard, allowing older devices to connect if they don't support 5 GHz. Now that I have my hotspot enabled, I can go to my laptop and choose the Wi-Fi menu to connect to my personal hotspot. This is great when you're on the road without Wi-Fi, but want to work on your laptop. Using your hotspot does drain the iPhone's battery faster, and it uses cellular connection, so certain activities on a computer might eat through your data pretty fast. Also, one pro tip is that you can plug your phone to a computer with a USB cable, and it'll use the wired connection for your hotspot. Faster, more stable, and charges your phone while you're at it. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.